It is 8:38 Thursday night, April 10th. It's cold out here. I'm working here from Kearny. But you got traffic going up down. I see an airplane up in the sky up there. I like to see my airplanes over the roofs of the houses in Kearny. He's going right towards the flight path of the helicopter that crashed today in the Hudson. Hudson is to my right. New York would be to my right, to the east. That helicopter crash in Hudson could have been due to all the clouds and the rain, starting to rain. It was really cloudy out here earlier when I looked at New York, about 4 o'clock. It's cold out there, and cold weather too. Doesn't agree with helicopters that much. Drastic change of cold, hot, metals. I'm a machinist. Metal changes forms when the temperature changes, warps. That creates problems. Cute little, I think that's a Kia. So, here a bunch of people to my right hanging out. Must be Endeavor House. It's too cold to hang out here unless you have a big coat on.